Hello everyone, Tashina Lynette, your favorite holistic business coach here with Vida Activa. And I posted a pic of just myself and I promised you guys that I would be coming back. I'll be back on the scene. I'll be doing some live. So as you hop on here, give me a wave, a hi, hello, let me know what city, state, or country you're watching me from, a hashtag replay if you are watching the replay. So every day I'll be coming home and I'm like, I'm tired and I don't feel like doing it, but I gotta get back. I gotta get back, and I promise y'all I will come back this week and I got an hour and a half left in this week on a Saturday night. So, I'm sharing with you guys my a wellness box from August and September. I already have my box from October sitting here, and then I got a huge order of things I needed to catch up on, plus the seasonal products that should be here very soon. So hopefully I'll be back tomorrow to do my October box, and then in a couple of days to do the other box, and then we'll get back to like the informational stuff, y'all. It's like, so for those of you that have dialed in, checked on me, thank you. 2024 has been unexpectedly exceptionally difficult, like my most financially difficult year than I can ever remember in probably like 10 years or something. So yeah, I didn't have space or capacity to come talk to you guys. Posted stuff on LinkedIn and via my email, so hopefully you guys were still getting information from me. But yeah, it just, the exhaustion and the craziness was just unbelievable. But last week I got relief, so I am extremely super grateful for that. But without further ado, let's talk about this health and wellness box from the greatest health and wellness company, Holistic Things on the Planet. So for one of my boxes, I just got the Ninja Starter bundle. You guys know, and I've encouraged everyone to do the 14-day reset. We're on finishing up week 1 of this round for this month, and that requires you to have sufficient amount of red juice on hand. So you get 2 bottles of this. You get a 30-day supply of the packets. So you take 1 packet per day, and then you get nitro. So hopefully you've heard me talk about this a million times, but just in case you're new here and you haven't, why does everyone need the red juice? This delicious nutrient rich beverage is packed with wolfberry puree, grapefruit juices, and essential oils like orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine. It's formulated to boost energy, improve sleep patterns, and reduce stress. So perfect for starting your day on a positive note. Then we have our Ninja Nitro. This energizing drink combines wolfberry puree with essential oils like peppermint, yerba mate, black pepper, and more. It's designed to enhance cognitive alertness, support the physical fitness, and provide a natural energy boost. Ideal for those busy days when you need a little extra push. Okay, so some of the stuff in my box is like gone because I'm in October and we're talking about August and September. So I'm just gonna talk to them. So something else I got was Cellulite Magic. So it's a massage oil. I use our massage oils for my body. This luxurious oil combines vegetable oils with essential oils like grapefruit, juniper, cedarwood, and clary sage, and nourishes and tones the skin, improves skin texture, and provides a refreshing massage experience. A wonderful addition to your self-care routine. Alkaline stick packs. This is also gone, but I got some more on the way. This convenient single serve packs are formulated with lemon and lime essential oils and organic lemon powder to support optimal pH balance and soothe occasional upset stomachs. Perfect for on-the-go wellness. Digest and cleanse. That's also all the way gone. I think I put the empty bottle in the recycle bin already, but I went through that. And this supplement is designed to support healthy digestion with essential oils like ginger, fennel, and anise. It helps prevent occasional indigestion and abdominal discomfort and ensuring your digestive system stays happy and healthy. Multigrains. I already finished the bottle of this, but I used my points to get another free one so I can still show it to you, and I'm still on it. Multigreens. These capsules contain a blend of nutritious greens like spirulina, alfalfa sprouts, barley grass, and Pacific kelp, along with essential oils like lemon, rosemary, melissa, and lemongrass. They boost vitality and support the glandular, nervous, and circulatory systems. A great way to get some extra daily greens in. PD8020. Oh, wait, no, that's not PD8020. PD8020. These capsules are formulated with pregnenolone and DHA, two substances that naturally decline with age. They support the endocrine system, part of your reproductive system, and help maximize internal health, making them a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Cortistop. Cortistop also has some additional pregnenolone. It has DHA derived from wild yam, and then clary sage, fennel, peppermint, frankincense, and black cohosh. So it's designed to lower your cortisol levels. These things came up on my scan with my high stress levels, again, for all of 2024. My cortisol levels are high. I need something to lower it for a while. And then the only essential oil I actually ordered, because again, this is the best health and wellness company, best skincare, best supplements, best everything on the planet. This is the only essential oil I ordered, which was ledum. Ledum is steam distilled from an evergreen shrub. Ledum has a smoky and peppery scent. It's used in aromatherapy to release dissatisfaction, anger, and obsession. And topically for its anti-inflammatory and possible relieving properties. Great oil for emotional and physical well-being. So I'm putting this in a little rub to release some inflammation on the body. Agile Ease, this is all gone, more is on the way, is a health supplement designed to reduce inflammation, improve mobility, and flexibility. It contains ingredients like frankincense powder, copaiba oil, and clove oil, making it perfect for athletes and those looking to support their joint health. And then I got for free Feather, the owl diffuser. I don't know, got the box somewhere, but I didn't grab it. So this adorable custom designed diffuser functions as a humidifier, aroma diffuser, nightlight, and white noise machine. It's kid friendly and simple to use with multiple diffusion models, LED light options, and white noise sound. Delightful addition to any home. Alright, so that's what I want to share with you guys. Don't forget to say hi to me in the comments, and I look forward to talking to you. Again, getting through these wellness boxes, these amazing best products from the best holistic wellness company on the planet, and then coming back with some more informational stuff, and hopefully seeing you guys like once a week as your favorite holistic business coach. All right, thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.